Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Valve here. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstrations how to downgrade iOS from 26.1 beta 4 to 26, or how can I reach it, especially on iOS 18 also, according to our slides, of course, so that we can downgrade it easily. So how it is possible? Firstly, we will check it out the manually. If the manually it is not possible, then of course we will go with alternative options to downgrade. So firstly, we will have to tap on a setting. Setting 2, of course, we will have to come to general. General 2, of course, we will have to tap on a software update. And it's the saying that up to date it is. So once again, let me especially show you that how it will check it out. Yes, general to software, and here now see publicly this is and further we don't have options to especially, so this is not a permitting to especially the downgrade. It's up to date, guys. So yes, further especially how can I downgrade? Just we will go for another administration, that is especially 3U tool, connect your data cable, and thereupon of course we will click on a smart flash option. A smart flash options, so try to refresh, and refreshing after that, see here there is a lot of the beta version. Out of them especially you can pick one, otherwise here we can see, and this is a 26.0.1 or 26.1 RC. So these things directly we will download here, and we will start after completing download. We will select the especially quick flash mode, and thereupon just we will go for hit the flash. So when we tap to a hit, then don't select a especially the fixed flash, so easily this will be especially installed. But for your kind information, if inside iOSW we would like to, then how it is possible? Of course we'll have to tap on a firmware. In the firmware here all the detail becomes, and these all are beta versions, but here is especially that we can see that is iOS especially the 26.1, that is here. Yes, we can have, but iOS 18 if you would like to have some, then of course in this one, so we can have this one, we can have directly we will download, and when we hit to a downloads, and then it will start to a download, guys. So it's downloading now easily, and after downloading of course this one's directly will be in a downloading box here. Just I would like to show you this one. Yes, this one especially now see here it has especially now downloading. After downloading this downloading firmware, this will be completed on this on a firmware. So directly we will go for open folder to import this file. So right now we don't have especially any, this one especially right now it's downloading, guys, right now. So this one, how can I especially had to especially install it? So in that conditions, yes, here is options to especially here that we can see this one's on especially the flash 2. Of course once again we will have to come the easy flash 2. Of course directly we will have a custom here imports, just we will select here options, and suppose here I have another iOSW, then suppose here I would like to show you this iOSW. Suppose let's have, so that we have selected, it has imported. Now that we have selected this one, just we will go for flash, and here don't select the fix battery health during the flash, so because of especially it will ask you rebooting multiple times, so don't do that. And simply here right now this is especially iOS especially 26.1, so we don't want to go, we would like to go with the especially 18. So right now 18 is downloading. So on the other hand, if we imports, and then directly let it download it, and then we will go for custom, and the custom to these ones. And by that, if you are unable to execute, then of course yeah, simply this device we will have to put into the recovery to of course via iTunes also we can. So how do you especially downgrade? By using especially iTunes. In iTunes system we will have to changes, then of course iTunes will also confess any just unsigned iOSW, but by that of course we can easily Right now it's downloading, and this ones we don't want, so on 18 we would like to come. So now see here, it's installing. So right now this is all about in this tutorial. The furthermore any inquiry, of course, the how to query below the comment box. So please would manage to reply your query, guys. And thank you for staying till the end of this tutorial. Hi, this is Technology Welfare, and I will be back with this step by step with new tutorial. So thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this content. It really supports this channel, guys. So thank you very much.